Hello everyone, welcome back to Shortcode. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the built-in module OS, which is short for operating system. This module comes installed with Python, so there is no need to install it with pip. So the OS module allows you to control and interact with your operating system, whether that be Windows, Mac or Linux, and we can do things like create directories, move directories, copy directories, all that good stuff. Okay, let's jump right into it. So I have a new Python file here. And the first thing we need to do is import the module, so we do import os, and then to get the current directory that we are in, we use the function os.getCwd, so print os.cwd. Oh, sorry, I missed the get here, getCwd. Then we get the file path here, which is C users, Caleb, desktop, important files, YouTube, shortcode, programming, Python basics. What this CWD stands for is current working directory. In other words, it's basically just the folder that this Python file is in right now. We can make a new directory by using os.mkdir, so os.mkdir, and then the parameter you will want to use is the name of the new directory, so I'm just going to call it new dir. Then run it. And we can see we've got new dir. And now let's rename that new directory. Let's just actually comment this printout statement. To rename that directory, you use os.rename. So os.rename. The first parameter needs to be the current name of the directory. So in our case, it's going to be new dir. And then the new name, the name that we're renaming it to, will be new dir renamed. We need to comment this out as well. And we don't get any output, but if we go to there, we get new dir renamed. And then finally, to delete this directory, we can use os.rmdir, so os.rmdir, and then it's going to be new dir renamed. Then if we run it, we no longer have that directory. It's been removed. Okay, that was just an overview of the OS module. It is a great way to control the operating system with Python. There are more functions to cover, but I think that's a bit beyond this tutorial. I will leave a link in the description to the OS documentation so you can learn a few more functions. But this is just sort of the important stuff that's most commonly used with the OS module. If you found this video useful, please do drop a like, it really does help me out. Also consider subscribing, I post Python content almost every day. That's it from me, cheers and goodbye.